Hey gang, Diane here. I'm back to continue our list of supplements that you want to be consuming to help your skin glow and look its very best and maintain its youthful appearance. Today I'm addressing vitamins. And the first vitamin we're going to talk about is vitamin A. And both the upper and lower layers of skin need vitamin A. It seems to prevent sun damage by interrupting the process that breaks down collagen, and that really helps. And since it's an antioxidant, it may give your skin some protection against sunburn, although not as good as a good SPF, of course. A good sunscreen is going to make a big difference. It helps the oil glands around your hair follicles work and may also help heal cuts and scrapes, especially if you're taking steroids to reduce inflammation because that draws a lot of vitamins out of you. So this is a big one to introduce, vitamin A. Now, without vitamin A, without enough vitamin A, your skin could get dry and itchy and bumpy, and you don't want that kind of appearance. Okay. Vitamin C, think C for collagen. This vitamin helps the twisted web of protein hold its shape. It's also a powerful antioxidant, protecting you from free radicals and possibly lowering your chance of skin cancer. Low levels of vitamin C can cause easy bruising and bleeding gums, as well as slower healing areas. So you want to be taking your vitamin E and vitamin C and now vitamin E. This antioxidant and anti-inflammatory can also absorb the energy from UV light, which damages skin and leads to wrinkles, sagging, and skin cancer. And we want to avoid all three of those like the plague. It works with vitamin C to strengthen cell walls. Now that's cool. That's so awesome. What you want to make sure though is that you're not taking a vitamin C and a vitamin A and a vitamin E, because they may not be compatible, and your body, they may fight against each other and your body may not absorb them. So you want to get a formulation that delivers all of that along with everything else that you need for your beautiful skin. And of course, I'll put a link to my favorite Skin Elixir supplement that is a powder. You mix in water, drink it up. It's delicious and it works. So again, thanks for joining me. I appreciate y'all's time, and I will be back to continue this list of skin supplements that protect, heal, and support your skin and that beautiful, youthful, glowing look that you are so proud of.